Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Minnie. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Hope you stay and enjoy the great content that I'll be posting. So I'm going on the road today. Me and Mia, we're going on the road. Just gonna do a few things, and today is just like a mother-daughter day, so I'm taking you guys with us. So stick around. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Turn on your post notification bell so each time I upload a video, you can be notified, okay? Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at MinnieBurrell. So come on, let's go on the road today.
If you're out there, let me hear you say, yeah, 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 yeah. This one's for the lovers. If you're out there, let me hear you say, yeah, 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 yeah. This one's for the lovers. If you're out there, let me hear you say, yeah, 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 yeah. This one's for the lovers. If you're out there, let me hear you say, yeah, 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 yeah.
Only one choice now. Just to let us be. Cause I treasure the way you calm me down. How you set me free. When I thought it was impossible. Cause I fall off the focus before. What's the difference you put to the bone? It compels me to bear my soul. I wanna be the one. 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 Yeah. No wasting, no wasting. Just to let us be. Treasure the way you calm. How you set me free. When I thought it was impossible. Cause I fall off the focus before. But you're different, you're good to the bone. It compels me to bear my soul. I wanna be the one. 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 Ooh.
Yeah.
No wasting, no wasting. Just to let us be. Cause I treasure the way you come.
This one's for the lovers. If you're out there, let me hear you say, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna get some ice cream.
Mommy, they have purple.
Hmm? Hmm?
They have purple.
Purple ice cream?
Yes.
I don't know. But we're gonna check. You excited for the ice cream? Yeah?
Mommy, what is that? Again, he's crazy and he's big.
That's Usain Bolt.
Huh? Huh?
We're going in there.
That one?
Yeah.
Look at me, I'm sitting down on a chair.
Hi, Mama. What flavor you want, Mia? What flavor you want?
Vanilla.
Vanilla. Come over here, son. You look up at it. Gosh. People a little rough. If you drop on a little hot, you know, I'll come out and bring me. She can get like ice cream. You like it?
And that's a scary teeth.
Hmm?
That one. That's fake.
I get my gummies them and Mary and eat up all of my gummies them. All of my gummies them she eat off. And one of them drop. I can't eat my gummies. I get sprinkles. I eat off all of my gummies them. She eat off all of my gummies them.
Gummies. You like vanilla chocolate Lasco?
Vanilla chocolate Lasco. Yeah, but it's not vanilla chocolate. You have vanilla and you have chocolate, so I like the both of them. You too? You having fun?
Yes.
Yes. What else you want to do?
I want to go downtown.
We did downtown.
It's not downtown.
The downtown.
Yeah, but we want to go to the. But I want to go to the old downtown, so I could get gumbo.
You could get what?
Gumbos. Mama, we could go to the supermarket first.
We're not going to the supermarket today.
What?
We just come to chill. Just come to chill. And then after this now, we take a walk and then we head home. We buy a few things and then we go home.
But I want to go to another downtown.
Guys, I don't know she talk out of Fairview. When I reach out of Fairview right now. Alright, let me take a picture.
This movie.
No?
Hello.
Wow. Let's take a picture. Guys, this is how you see him, but right now.
Jamaica bathing suit.
This is a store. This is a store that sells Jamaican stuffs. Alright, don't know. Let me see. My wife off a little bit. Let me clean you.
Richard, all the while you come to look at the news. I work in a girl. Minnie can't and my family, you know.
How much for you? You have what answer?
Yeah. And you just say you pick me, girl. And you say you pick me, you other pick. Much of them you want?
This one? No, let me two here.
Are you at? I don't buy the man on the show. Remember the window man? Yeah.
So we're home and I'm gonna show you the stuffs that we got in town and how much I spent in a day. Alright, so you have fun?
Yes.
You want to go back?
Tomorrow.
You want to go back tomorrow?
Yes.
Okay. Alright guys, so first we stopped at a bookstore and we did go for buy 2 books, but I only get 1 book, and this was for $2,160. So me I go calculate everything I spend today. Alright, so this 1 book alone is for $2,160. Then again I buy a bread. This bread is for $700. Then I bought a stick razor. This is for $200. I think I did $100, because I normally $100 feet, but I guess everything raised because even the bread I did $6.50 and now bread at $700 and now the stick razor at $200. Alright, so yeah, the stick razor $200. Then I have my receipt them, you know. So alright, this 2,160, that's for the book. Then I got the ice cream place now, rum and raisin, about 2 cups, two cups with 1 scoop. So yeah, 1 scoop cup is for $9.50 and about 2. So in all I spent $1,900, and then after that about a water, and the water of $200, right? Then after that now I got the roadside to buy some little tights and something. I buy 2 pair of white ankle socks, about 3 black tights, about 3 black tights, 3 black tights of $1,000, 3 tights for $1,000. Then I buy the 2 white ankle socks, and then I buy 3 marina. So all of them I buy together, and in all I spend 2,800. 2,800? Yes, I spend 2,800 for all of this. Alright, and then last thing I did, I went into a haberdashery and I bought a witch hazel. You know, witch hazel if you deal with hygiene and all of that. So I bought this witch hazel and it was for $745. Then I bought these together. I bought a Nadinola soap, a Nadinola cream, and a omit gel. Them 3 something here work nice for my face. Yeah, them take out the bump and all of that, because right now some bumper come back for my face and something. So I the mirror alone I use for my skin to make my skin clean and pretty. So all of them 3 something here, I spend wait, let me see it. Yeah, all of them 3 something here, I spend $1,645. So that was everything. So everything, all that I did today, everything came up to, in all I spent $10,350. Yeah, so that was everything I got today, and yeah, it was a good day. I really enjoy myself with me and Mia. I've been a promise her, so I'm go carry her out and all of that, and me, you know, me did get caught up, me kind of busy and all of that. So today I decided to bring her out and we enjoy ourselves. Yeah, so in a week or in the next week or so, me bring her out again before school open and all of that. So yeah, that is it, guys. I really do hope you like this video. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Turn on your post notification bell so each time I upload a video you can be notified, okay? Remember to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at MinnieBurrell. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.